Did you know you can get up to 1.5 crore to study abroad at an interest rate as low as 7.65%? Shocking? Let me tell you about India's leading nationalized bank, State Bank of India. Today in this video, we are going to talk about State Bank of India loan product, which will include the loan amount you are eligible for, processing fee, interest rate, and many other features of the loan product. Also, at the end of this video, we have a contest question. If you give answer to that question, you can get exciting prize. So let's start. As all of us know, SBI is a public sector bank, and public sector bank has its own benefits over the private banks and private institutes out there. Today in this video, we are going to talk about one specific scheme of SBI, which is SBI Global Edvantage scheme. This is especially for the students who are planning to study abroad and looking for a loan amount greater than 20 lakh rupees. So let's discuss about this scheme one by one. Let's first talk about the loan amount. So loan amount you are eligible for, as I mentioned, is 1.5 crore rupees. It will depend on the value of your collateral. Yes, you are hearing it correct. SBI asked for a collateral to give you an education loan greater than 7.5 lakh rupees. As under this scheme, you are looking for greater than 20 lakh rupees, so collateral is must. The good thing is that collateral can belong to any third party. Collateral need not be your name or your parents' name. It can be any relative name or any third friend's name. You can get up to 70% of the collateral value as the loan amount. That means if you have a property of 1 crore rupees, then you can get 70 lakh rupees as the loan amount, or vice versa. If you are looking for 70 lakh rupees as the loan amount, then your collateral value should be 1 crore rupees. Collateral can be FD, real estate property, or insurance policies. Now, depending on what is the value of FD and insurance policies, a different loan amount can be sanctioned on the same. So let's talk about the processing fee. State Bank of India only charge 10,000 plus GST is the processing fee, which means 11,800 in total. Apart from that, if you are applying for an education loan with property, then the property valuation charges also will be needed to be paid to the lawyer and evaluator. So in total, you will have to spend approximately 7,500 rupees as the property evaluation charges. Talking about the interest rate, State Bank of India charges 7.65% for women and 8.15% for men as the interest rate. There is a catch here. These rates are only applicable when you buy Rinn Raksha Insurance. What is this insurance? In case the applicant dies, then the co-applicant is not supposed to repay the money. The money will be covered by the insurance company. If you don't buy the insurance, then your interest rate will increase by 0.5%. While we are talking about it, I also want to talk about the tax benefits that you get when you take an education loan from bank. So the effective interest rate can be much lower. Let's say your co-applicant is in 30% tax bracket. So the interest that you are paying to the bank, on that money you are not supposed to pay tax to the government. That means your effective interest rate will be somewhere around 5%. Talking about processing time, usually if you approach bank directly, it may take longer, 30 to 45 days, in some case 60 days as well. You can approach via GyanDhan. We will help you getting the same SBI education loan in 12 to 15 working days. In fact, in the major cities, which is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, we have our relationship officer that comes to your home, pick up the documents, submit it in the branch, all free of cost. Will help you end-to-end getting education loan from SBI faster. What are the other features? Now let's talk about Moratorium Period, which I really like about SBI. So when you take an education loan from SBI, you are not supposed to start repayment while you are studying. Your repayment starts 6 months after the completion of your course. That means if you are going for masters, which is of 2 years, your repayment start after 2.5 years. If you take loan from private banks, NBFCs, there the repayment starts immediately. Also, you can take loan for up to 15 years and you can always prepay. So usually what students do is they get the loan approval done for 15 years, and if they get very good job bonuses, then they repay early. Apart from that, one important thing that many students miss out is the margin money. So let's understand first what is margin money, though we have another video on that on our YouTube channel which you can check out. So margin money is the money that the bank expects you to pay on your own education. So for example, if your overall cost is 1 crore rupees, in that case, the bank will say, specifically SBI, that 10 lakh rupees, which is 10% of overall expenses, should be borne by you. So bank will at most sanction 90 lakh rupees as the loan amount in the case overall expenses is 1 crore rupees. So that's it on the SBI education loan. If you are looking for an abroad education loan, I would recommend you to check the loan eligibility on the link below. When you check the loan eligibility on the link below, you will be assigned an education loan counselor who will get in touch with you, will understand what exactly is your requirement, and will help you getting not only the SBI education loan but various other education loan partners that we have. Not to mention, our fees is zero, which means our complete assistance is free of cost for the students. So now the time for the context question, answer to which I have already given in this video earlier. Let's say I have a property worth 1.5 crore rupees. Then how much at most the SBI will sanction the loan amount for me? If you calculate the answer and put it in the comments, the first few comments will get a gift hamper from GyanDhan. Thanks a lot.